Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get that trickster voice effect on the TikTok. So if you want to get this voice on the TikTok, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the TikTok. So right now my TikTok is up to date, so here is not, it's not showing a update button, but if your TikTok is not up to date, you will get this button. Once you will do it, go back, tap a while on the TikTok application, go to the info, and right here you will see storage and the cache. Click on it, and from here you have to click on the clear cache. Once you will do it, go back, open your TikTok mobile application, click on this plus button. Now record a video or upload a video with your voice. Once you will do it, click on the stick button, and after that here you will see a voice effects button. You can edit your voice into the trickster voice effect, as you can see on the screen. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.